Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into our channel. Today I am going to be doing an unboxing and review of the certified Push Lawn Mower. It is the 21-inch, I believe it's 150 cc's. So I got this a while back, haven't had a chance to open it, but I figure I'll open it for you guys and we'll have a look at its components and see how well it works. I've used certified in the past and it's always been a good product. So really excited to see and test this particular product out. And once I have this open, we'll go through all the different components together and see what is inside here. So as you can come and look, it will have the quick start guide. Of course, it does not have any oil or fuel, obviously for safety reasons. There's a technical advice support line that's available and for the times and particular days. So we look at this. There's the handle, and if you want to have a look here, we'll open this up. This is the side discharge, the guard for the side discharge. So it's like a mulcher as well, so it spits out. So that's very important to have, don't lose that. And 150 cc's. So I will take this out. Of course, it comes with the 4 wheels. It has this part here and some more useful things for you. For example, the nuts and bolts to attach the handle to as well. So if we have a look here, it's going to tell you what kind of oil that you're going to need and the gas. So this is where you would stick the gas in. This is the pull to start it. And if you come over here and look, this is where you would put the oil. So when you go and do an oil change at the end of the season, what you would do is take this out and tip it over to the right side, and all the oil, the old oil will come out, and you can put the fresh oil in so that you're set to go for the following seasons. Over here, if you want to look here, this is where you would put the guard in. So you would lift this part up and it would hold it down. So for example, I'll show you. Put this up, this will connect into here, and there, you're set. So it's the side discharge for the mulching portion of it. And that's pretty much, this is the flap here to protect from any grass coming towards your feet. And that's pretty much it for that. So I am going to assemble this and I am going to use it on my property just over there. It could use a little bit of a trimming. It's not too bad, but I just want to show you how well this particular lawnmower works. So stay tuned and I am going to take this baby out for a spin. Okay, as you can see, I finished cutting this upper portion. Had to stop, check the amount of gas there was. There was a lot of gas still left, so it's pretty efficient on fuel. Also, I had to stop because there was this little guy here, a little toad. Didn't want to crush him. So I hope you found this video informative on the certified lawnmower. Please subscribe to our channel. Remember to click that bell notification and hit that like button. It helps us to grow our channel. Until next time, take care.